Now we're going to talk about the wonderful land of Schneideropolis. In Schneideropolis, the ratio of states that border an ocean to states that don't border an ocean is 3-6. There are 72 states total. How many states border an ocean? Okay, so you may see this and be like, I don't even know where to start. Well, we have this magical word, we have ratio, and it even shows us a ratio. So my first thought is always to put that bad boy in a table. So now, some people start with numbers, but I would always start with words. It helps us organize our thoughts. Now, you can put the numbers in, but you got to have the words too. So it looks like we have a ratio here, 3-6. But what does that ratio mean? If you look above it, it says the ratio of states that border an ocean to, and we know that means the dots, states that do not border an ocean. So we have 3 states that border the ocean and 6 states that not border. Well, that's their ratio. So there are 72 states total. How many total states border an ocean? So we want to know this information. Okay? What I want to know is what we do with the 72. Like, my first thought, of course, is to put 72 down here. But these 72 are all the states, not just the non-border states. So 72 won't go there, 72 won't go here. That's because if I were to add up all of my states, I'd get 72. So if I were to take all the states that border an ocean and all the states that don't border an ocean and add them together, I would get 72. So let's keep that there. Let's make another row for just our totals and see if we can do something with that. Well, if I have that, I might as well figure out what this is. Like, what's the total of our ratio? Let's see here, we have 3 plus 6 is 9. Oh, look, we have 2 totals. So 9 times 8 is 72. So 6 times 8 is 48. And 3 times 8 is 24. And 24 and 48 add up to 72. So the states that border an ocean are 24. That's kind of weird. Let's do another one. So it's a Schneideropolis. We got border states and not border. And our ratio is 6-2. And there are 64 states total. Okay, so total. 64 states total. So we need a total area. So if I add up all the real states that border and don't border the ocean, I'm going to get 64. And I want to know how many states border the ocean. That's the goal. Well, I know 6 plus 2 is 8. Oops. Oh, and that's enough to go by because 8 times 8 is 64. So that means I do 2 times 8 to get 16 and 6 times 8 to get 48. So 48 states border an ocean. Okay, let's do one more. Oh, no, that was it. So, let me know if you need some help.